मुमताज नहीं। मनोज तिवारी तैयार अपने मार्क पर, फुल टॉस और स्वागत किया यहां पहले ही बॉल पर एक चौके के साथ।
Well, that's a poor start for Manoj. I think just very tentative, maybe showing the fact that he's not the youngest. Bit of a loosener, as we call it. And how well was it played? Just a little tap. Didn't try and overhit it. His eyes must have lit up with that full toss, saying, oh, wow. I don't think he was planning to play it in the air, but he played it too soon. And the bat was at a wrong angle. Lucky to get away with it too. So a boundary to begin with. Oh, a reminder. I talked to Manoj earlier on about his left quadricep because he'd done it in, I was talking about injuries earlier on. And this is a prime example where Manoj is now suddenly looking at his the top part of his hamstring on the left and is already feeling the ill effects of that match in Hyderabad. Now this will be terrible if he has to walk off and not complete his over. That's a big setback potentially for Bhojpuri Dabangs.
और ऐसा लग रहा है कि उस खिंचाव की वजह से अपने स्पेल को जारी नहीं रख पाएंगे मनोज तिवारी। जूझ रहे थे, हैदराबाद में भी बैटिंग करने के लिए आए थे, सिर्फ एक बॉल के बाद उन्हें वापस जाना पड़ा था। और ये अच्छी साइड टेक, राहुल जेटली चेक करते हुए कि किस लेवल की चोट है ये, और ऐसा लग रहा है चारू की फिलहाल डगआउट की ओर जाते हुए।
Well, he's had a little bit of time to try and repair that injury. And by the way, just a quick focus on the physios that accompany every team. They work so hard. They're the #1 people required in every team. In fact, they should have 2. So Pravesh Yadav will try and complete that first. Not try, will complete the first over. And big setback, without doubt, to the Bhojpuri Dabangs because Manoj is a very clever bowler with that big banana in swing. Didn't bowl a fabulous delivery first up. But let's see what Pravesh can do here. Good to see that camaraderie between Rahul and Manoj and the rest of the teams as well. You've been talking about it. I think that's a big feature of the CCL.
पंजाब दशेर के खिलाड़ी, एक्टर जरूर, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में भी बहुत बड़ा नाम इन सब का, खासकर बबल राय जो नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पर फिलहाल मौजूद। राहुल जेटली एक एक्टर, लेकिन कई सारे म्यूजिक वीडियोस में भी हमें दिखे। एक अलग ही इंडस्ट्री पंजाब की वो म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री, इसके बारे में हम करेंगे चर्चा। प्रवेश लाल, बहुत ही अच्छी बॉल।
Well, on the money straight away, Pravesh. And he would not have been expecting to bowl, so that's very well done. Just a hint of movement away. And the footwork not as far across as he might have liked. Rahul lucky to not get a thin edge. The keeper standing up for most of the medium pacers also makes you stay very honest. Can't give him the charge. You miss the ball, get stumped. Good work by the keeper, that last delivery.
यहाँ विकेट कीपर की तरफ से लगातार अब टाइगर ये शब्द सुनेंगे प्रवेश लाल के लिए। एक और अच्छी बॉल और आगे आकर कीपिंग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर। बहुत ही मुश्किल ये बात, लेकिन बहुत ही अच्छा कलेक्शन।
Mustard again very close to the outside edge. Just stood there, no foot movement, try to cut it away. Always dangerous. I think he's looking a little tentative right now, Rahul. Lucky, 2 balls out of 2. A play and a miss, a swing and a miss. And that should encourage Pravesh. Same line, same length. Let's go. Bhojpuri Dabangs might get their first wicket. Rahul needs to be a little more, what's the word here? Definitive in his movements.
टाइमिंग यहाँ चाहिए, लेकिन मौजूद प्रोटेक्शन बाउंड्री राइडर के रूप में पावर प्ले का ये ओवर चल रहा है। सिर्फ 2 ही खिलाड़ी को आप इस इनर सर्कल के बाहर रख सकते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छी पोजीशनिंग फिलहाल।
I've got the word now that I wanted, more assured, because he seemed a little tentative, Rahul, but that last ball was wide enough for him to just gently ease it into the offside. Now we've seen most of the players from the get-go go really hard at the bowling. I'll have to say that Rahul, I wonder if all the rest of the Punjab Dasher are also going to be similar, seem to be very tentative. Wonder why. No big swing. He's gotten away with it so far. 5 runs. And Pravesh now has 2 deliveries to complete this over. Going round the wicket for the lefty, Babbal Rai. I want to hear much more from you about his musical journey, because I know you, Savvy, are very much into the world of music. And perhaps you can let me know what Babbal's done so far and all the rest of the players you talked about in the world of music.
जी हाँ, बब्बल राय बहुत सारे हिट पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स उन्होंने दिए हैं और इसके अलावा एक एक्टर के रूप में भी भूमिका निभाई है। हाल ही में 2018 में अमरन द छान नाम की एक मूवी थी जहां पर बब्बल राय को हमने देखा था। इसके अलावा कई म्यूजिक वीडियोस और कई सिंगल्स उन्होंने लेबल्स के साथ निकाले हैं।
Field on the offside. Oh, well bowled, drifting in. Well handled as well by Babbal. We'll get to hear a little more now that the reason Babbal Rai moved away is because the skipper was still making a little bit of noise, setting his field as the bowler was running in. And I'm sure all the players here will learn that what's the right time to stop issuing instructions.
ओ फुल ये बॉल थी लेकिन मिस फील्ड और 4 रन मिल जाएंगे बब्बल राय की ओर से। बहुत ही अच्छा ये शॉट। पहला ओवर समाप्त होता हुआ पंजाब दे शेर 9 बिना किसी नुकसान के।